Hello, Klaus here, and welcome back to yet another video here at the channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into one of the new features in DaVinci Resolve 20. It is the Audio Assist, AI Audio Assist, and that is a AI tool that helps you to mix your audio. And it's supposed to be good, so let's try that out. And we can also try to do like a before and after. But anyways, for this video, we are just going to dive into how it works. So let's just jump right into DaVinci Resolve 20.
Okay, so here we are in DaVinci Resolve, and I have a edit here with some B-roll, sound effects, music, and stuff like that. If I just go to Fairlight, we can see I have these tracks here, and this is one of the new features in DaVinci Resolve 20, and we're going to just quickly show you this. This is a studio feature only, so nevertheless, you can't really do this if you do not have the studio version. And also, it's a pretty good idea to know the basic of EQing and stuff like that, because even though we are going to go up here and under timeline, we're going to take our AI tool and we're going to use Audio Assist. So if this window do occur, there's just one thing we need to fix, and that is to go into the settings. And in the settings, we'll go to Fairlight, and we're just going to toggle off Use Fixed Bus Mapping. And we're just going to say Convert and Save. So this is only necessary if that message pops up. So again, Timeline, AI Tools, Audio Assistants. And here, this is where we are going to do our first choice. So what kind of delivery standard are we going to use? Are we going to use YouTube, Disney, or Netflix? I think we're going to do Netflix. And then we're just going to push Auto Mix. And then, DaVinci will do its AI thing, just looking at the different stuff we have. And it's going to color code all the different sounds and make it, hopefully, okay. So there is done nothing to this with the levels or anything at all. So I think this is a good starting point when you have to mix your sound if you're on a hurry or stuff like that. So let's have the final master here. There we go. So now it has color coded all the different layers, and I'm just going to go into Fairlight because it's easier to see what it's actually done. So you can actually see if we go on the dialogue track, which is here, we can see that it has done like voice isolation, dialogue level, it has done a de-esser, and has done dynamics, and also it's done some EQing. So let's have a listen to it. So already now I am pretty sure that the music is way too loud for my taste. So I'm just going to drag that down a little bit.
I've fished with Greg my whole life.
So I think that is better. And so that is some of the things we have to change. We have to go in and change the different music stuff. But that's easy to do. I think this is a super cool tool. It's a fast way to start to do some audio editing. It doesn't mean that you shouldn't go in and tweak things afterwards. However, this is a very good starting point. Anyway, I do hope you found this little video useful. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, share it with your friends if you think it would help them out. And if you want to be notified every time there is another video here at the channel, please hit that bell icon down in the corner. Until next time, keep filming, keep learning, and keep sharing.